Introducing the Glasho Foldable Mobility Scooter, the ultimate electric scooter with seat for adults, offering unparalleled convenience and freedom. With a robust 36V 12Ah battery. There are many products available to choose folding mobility scooter, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best folding mobility scooter from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Introducing the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter, a revolutionary electric-powered wheelchair device designed by Vive. This compact and heavy-duty mobile solution is perfect for travel, catering to adults and the elderly alike. Crafted with durability and safety in mind, its robust design supports up to 265 pounds, ensuring stability on various surfaces. The easy-grip flat-free tires provide smooth navigation indoors and outdoors, with a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour, and an impressive driving range of 12.4 miles per charge. Comfort is paramount with the Vive Mobility Scooter. The wide padded seat and backrest offer gentle cushioning and support, while the adjustable features ensure a personalized fit. Effortlessly disassemble the scooter into 4 pieces for convenient transportation, fitting easily into standard vehicle trunks. The intuitive control panel allows for seamless operation, featuring a variable speed dial, headlight, and battery life indicator. Backed by extensive research and customer-driven design, Vive offers a 5-year guarantee, reaffirming its commitment to safety, comfort, and unparalleled customer service. Experience freedom and confidence with the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Number 2. Zipperoo 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Introducing the Zipperoo 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter, your ideal companion for seamless mobility. Engineered by Zipper, a trusted American brand, this electric-powered mobile wheelchair is designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. In striking red color, it boasts a sturdy aluminum frame supporting up to 265 pounds. Glide effortlessly over various surfaces with 8 flat-free tires, ensuring stability and durability. Comfort is paramount with the Zipperoo. Its wide 17-seat, padded armrests, and supportive backrest provide a cozy ride. The swivel seat enhances accessibility, allowing you to easily embark and disembark. Foldable and transportable, disassemble it into 4 lightweight pieces for hassle-free travel, fitting snugly into standard vehicle trunks. Navigate with ease using the intuitive controls, complete with LED headlights and a horn. Enjoy ample storage with a removable basket and rear seat pocket. With a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour and a range of 12.4 miles on a single charge, the Zipperoo ensures you stay mobile and independent. Experience the freedom of movement with Zipperoo, your reliable mobility solution. Number 3. Glasho S1 Mobility Scooter. Introducing the Glasho S1 Mobility Scooter, crafted for enhanced mobility and comfort for adults. Designed by Glasho, this 4-wheel scooter boasts a sleek gray exterior, blending style with functionality. With dimensions of 42.52 x 21.65 watts x 34.65 h and a weight of 96.9 pounds, it offers both stability and maneuverability. Experience ultimate convenience, with the adjustable swivel seat and ample legroom, ensuring comfortable boarding and exiting. Its powerful 250W brushed motor and large pneumatic wheels enable seamless navigation across various terrains, including curb cuts up to 2.76 high. Safety is paramount with the PI safety system, managing speed control, and providing voice alerts for potential hazards. Choose from 3 speed modes, up to 6.2 miles per hour, and enjoy a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge from the detachable 24V20 all-lead-acid battery. For easy storage and transport, the scooter features a collapsible design, with removable components and a fold-down tiller. With intuitive controls and a large dashboard screen, the Glasho S1 ensures a confident and enjoyable ride every time. Number 4. Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Introducing the Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter, your reliable companion for effortless mobility both indoors and outdoors. Engineered by Vive, a trusted brand renowned for its commitment to safety and comfort, this electric-powered scooter offers unparalleled maneuverability and convenience. With a robust construction capable of supporting up to 265 pounds, it features flat-free, non-marking tires designed for durability and safety on various surfaces. Enjoy a comfortable ride with the swivel seating, providing gentle cushioning and support for long journeys. Easily adjust the seat height for a personalized fit, while the padded armrests offer added convenience. Disassemble the scooter into 4 pieces effortlessly for hassle-free transportation, fitting into standard vehicle trunks with ease. Navigate with confidence using the intuitive control panel, allowing for seamless speed adjustments and direction changes. Benefit from the long-lasting battery, providing a driving distance of up to 12.4 miles per charge. Backed by a 5-year guarantee, the Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter ensures peace of mind and freedom of movement for years to come. Number 5. Glasho Foldable Mobility Scooter. Introducing the Glasho Foldable Mobility Scooter, the ultimate electric scooter with seat for adults, offering unparalleled convenience and freedom. With a robust 36V 12-watt battery, this scooter can cover an impressive 25 miles on just one charge, making it perfect for long-distance travel. Its powerful 250W brushless motor and large wheels enable it to conquer various terrains, including curbs and uneven surfaces, with ease. Designed for maximum portability, the Glasho scooter features a two-step folding mechanism, allowing it to be effortlessly stowed in car trunks. Despite its durability, it weighs only 70.5 pounds, ensuring hassle-free transportation. Safety is paramount, with automatic speed adjustments, an on-seat sensor system, and smart voice alerts, providing peace of mind for riders. Enjoy intuitive controls, and a large dashboard screen displaying essential information like battery status and speed indicators. Plus, experience enhanced comfort with a generously padded seat and raisable armrests. Whether as an electric wheelchair alternative or for leisurely rides, the Glasho Foldable Mobility Scooter delivers unparalleled performance and convenience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more